Hello, so today this is a video for teachers on how to create classwork for your class on Google Classroom. So we are in our test class and we're going to create this exact assignment, okay? So we can view what it's going to look like already. We know that I've already handed it in when I was doing the child version or the parent version, and I can see my answers there. Everything that the child completes will go into a folder for the assignment. I can click on that as the teacher only, and I can view everybody's quick assignment with their name at the start and the title of the assignment as well. So let's close that down. Let's just head back. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to hit create, and we're going to create an assignment. So the title of the assignment will be quick assignment. Can't remember the actual title of the last one, so we're just going to go with that. Instructions, I'm going to put please complete this assignment and hand it into me. Full stop. I'm going to hit add Google Drive, and I'm going to click on my drive, recent, because I've just done it, and there's a template for what we're going to do. If you wanted to create this in Drive, you'd hit create, and you can do it from there, and you can create a blank one. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to click students can view the file. We need to change that to make a copy for each student. If it is set to students can view, then they're only going to be able to see it. Students can edit is they're going to edit the exact same document altogether. So child 1, child 2, child 3 are all going to edit the same document. So it could get a bit messy unless you've planned for that. So we're going to make a copy for each student. Now, the title of the copy is going to be child's name here, and then the title of the document, so it'll be quick assignment. So for example, our test child is called P123, so it'll say P123 quick assignment. Okay, up here you can choose which class you're going to set it to, which students you'd like to set it to, all students including P123, the points that you're going to award. Teachers, that is up to you. I tend to use the 4 system. The due date, let's set it for tomorrow at 12 o'clock. The topic, let's put it into fun. So that'll be the category that you saw at the start. Now, I can either assign it straight away by pressing on, I'll show you again. So I can assign it straight away, or I can press on the arrow and I can click schedule, and I can choose a time that I want that assignment to go out. So I'm just going to assign it straight away just now. Everything's saved, ready to go. Bam. Assigning to all students. So once that has finished, assignment created down at the bottom corner, quick assignment, there we go.